trials dire, they sought the light. In quest for freedom, they took to flight. Brothers bound by mystic tie, in unity we reach the sky. Sacred oaths, they forged their way. In secret rites, they vowed to stay. Their hearts aflame with noble cause. In search of truth, they never pause. Brothers bound by mystic tie, in unity we reach the sky. Halls where secrets whisper low, the mason's craft begins to grow. Ancient rites and symbols bright, they weave the threads of truth and light. With each degree, a step they climb, inscribed in history's grand design. From darkness into radiant day, they guide the seeker's sacred way. Brothers bound by mystic tie, in unity we reach the sky. With breach defarred, my chain ignites in covet right. Brothers bound by mystic tie, in unity we reach the sky. Through sacred oaths, they forge their way. In secret rites, they vow to stay. Their hearts aflame with noble cause. In search of truth, they never pause. Brothers